Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I've just received my new iPhone and it's released today. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get it unboxed and have a look at it. So I ordered this directly from Apple on the day that the pre-orders were available, which was September the 9th. And I ordered a couple of accessories with it, and they arrived a couple of days later. Yeah, I was very satisfied to open that. My last phone was the iPhone 6s Max, 6s Plus, and got that back in like 2016 or something when it came out. It's been really slow, and knew it was about time to get a replacement. So I was waiting as long as possible to get a replacement, waiting for the new ones to be released. I got the deep purple colour and 512 gig. I'm hoping that this will last me another 6 years like my last one did. It's got a beautiful finish. I was surprised that the titanium outer edge also had the deep purple colour. It came with a USB-C to Lightning cable and the standard kind of documentation and things like that that's included with the phone. I need to get a screen protector for it. I didn't want to get one of the generic ones. I just wanted to go out and make sure that I was getting a decent screen protector that would do the job. So I'll go out and get one of those at a later date. I did, however, buy a case for it. I was going to get one of the clear cases, but then I realised that I'll be putting a sticker on it, like on my previous case. So I decided that I would just get a black one, as I figured the dark colour would match better with it. again, it's nicely designed and nicely packaged. It just pops out. The inside was kind of almost felt like a suede or velvety, which I was surprised with. I also got a MagSafe charger, so I can just leave that on my desk. Again, another satisfying and easy way to open it. They have these little tabs on them, make it easy to open. And yeah, I figured I'd just leave that on my desk for charging, especially if I say doing screen capturing or something like that. Then obviously you need the port available for doing that. And I just thought it would be nice and easy way to do to just have it sitting there, so I can put it on my desk as well if I need to just charge when I'm working or anything like that. I also got a connector that allows you to put in the standard 3.5mm jack headphones with microphone and charge at the same time, because I still have my old headphones and I didn't want to buy new headphones to go with it just yet. I might replace them at a later date, but I thought that jack would be important. So it is a little bit bulky and a little bit awkward, but you know, I guess I'm getting used to having dongles hanging out of things, especially from my MacBook as well. So I decided I would try and put the phone in the case protection just to see how easy it is, because the case on my old phone was very tight fit and awkward to get on and off, but you know, was definitely sturdy and rugged, even though it's falling apart now. But this just slid into place, clipped into place easily, and felt very secure. Button locations have definitely changed since my last iPhone, so yes, it's be interesting to see how long it takes me to get used to that. That's a welcome screen. Prior to opening this, I did a backup of my previous phone, and then I just, after I unboxed this, I plugged it in and used the restore from backup on the computer